Freestanding bug net that pops open instantly into shape to provide a safe refuge. Simply slide off the elastic strap and toss up into the air away from you. No assembly required. Can be used indoors or outdoors. Waterproof tarp floor, zipper door, fully enclosed with no-seam netting to prevent flying critters, creepy crawlies or slithering snakes. No-seam netting has much smaller holes than mosquito netting. Fiberglass poles. The net is folded into a large flat disc which is 26 inches wide. The 26-inch disc will not fit in your luggage. Please take a tape measure and visualize the size before you buy it. Weighs only 2.5 pounds. Inside length, 86 inches. Usable length, 6 feet. Inside width, 39 inches. Height, 35 inches. Even though it is longer and wider than a cot, it can still lay on it. It is wide so you can comfortably sleep without fear of touching the sides and being bit through the mesh. Unlike other nets in which you can only lie down, you can sit up in the SansBug. If you need more space, get the SansBug 2 or 3 person net which provides 7 feet of usable length. Save yourself the frustration by carefully watching the demo video multiple times before folding it. Understand the steps. Don't give up. You can do it. Folding should take seconds once you get the hang of it, but you do need to watch the demo video several times. Fiberglass poles are strong but they will splinter if incorrectly folded. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have for camping bug-free. These bug tents are amazing. I use them when camping in a cabin or canvas tent as I don't like things flying around my face in the night. I like to read my paperwhite before bed and bugs love the light, so this keeps them at a distance. I bought several for myself and my children to use at scout camp since I don't want them bitten up. And those canvas tents are always crawling with spiders and other insects. Crawling into bed knowing nothing from outside will get in unless you let it is comforting. I'm 54 and I can stretch out comfortably, but any bigger than that and you will need to lay in the fetal position in order to keep your head or feet from touching the net. The bottom of the tent is tarp material, so you may want a blanket between your sleeping bag and the tarp or you will be sliding all around. There is at least one pocket to put your belongings in and I believe there is a tie at the top to use for a lantern. This tent is a good investment if you want to camp in relative comfort or have peace of mind regarding insect control wherever you may be.